Have you ever had your identity stolen? It is a pain in the butt. The IRS is one of the biggest targets for identity theft and identity fraud. Victims oftentimes find out that their information has been stolen, compromised. They go to file a tax return. Guess what? The IRS has their information already. There's a tax return that's already been filed. This is one of the biggest headaches possible. What you can do, though, is you go to the IRS website and you download the IRS affidavit form, and then you complete that form, and you'll have to mail off your tax return to the IRS. This is going to make the odds of you getting your refund a lot harder because the IRS needs to investigate the first return that it came in, verify that it's fraudulent, look at the return that you sent in, verify that it's authentic, and process the refund. A lot of times the IRS will just freeze the refund anytime they get information that doesn't appear incorrect or may have certain triggers that trigger their audit triggers saying, hey, this could be fraudulent. What you can do in that situation is complete the IRS affidavit identity theft form, attach it to your tax return. Make sure you sign your tax return. You're not going to be able to file it electronically. And if you can, send a copy of your photo ID with it. The more information you send to the IRS, the faster they'll be able to verify your identity, process that return, and release your refund. From that point, they're probably going to send you an identity theft PIN, an IP PIN number. This PIN number is going to be required for you to file your taxes probably for the next 3 to 5 years. This will stop fraudsters from using your information, filing a tax return without your consent or knowledge, and getting your tax refund or delaying the whole process. What happens is the IRS will issue a brand new IP PIN number every single year. You'll get it in the mail, usually around November, December, prior to the tax season. If you suspect fraud, you can actually apply for an IP PIN ahead of time. That way you don't have to deal with this going into the next tax season. More information, how to protect yourself, protect you, get your IP PIN number. Click on the link below, like, follow, always giving as much information as we can to protect you as the taxpayer.